it's my honor and pleasure to request Bonnie Crombie to join us here today with our friends and with our family and our brother, Nسیم. Actually, I came to Canada in 2011.
Wow,
And
you've done well.
In February 2011, I came here, and at that time, that year, the Easter time, first time I met Bonnie Crombie on the Coptic Church on Easter Day. She came here for his campaign address, and there was my first picture with Bonnie Crombie here. And then so many times we met, and I always have good volunteer in 2014, 2018, and now 2022. So this is our honor that she is with us, and she accepted our invitation. And thank you.
Now I would like to ask our worship Bonnie Crombie, Mayor of Mississauga, and the future Mayor also.